This video is a quick demo of a publishing workflow enhancing Chrome extension that we've been prototyping. This prototype has already been built, but obviously specific modifications could be made if necessary to kind of support any workflow. So we're just going to show an example of how we might start drafting a post that was inspired by this beatboxing YouTube video. So you see over here, I've got a WordPress site set up. I've got myself added as a user, and there's no post here yet. But in our Chrome extension, which just lives up here in the Chrome extension bar, I have my URL for my WordPress site already in there, and I'm already logged in as my WordPress user. So when those two conditions are met, I'm presented with this kind of draft post interface. So let's go ahead and grab the YouTube URL. We'll call this post How Beatboxing Works. And then we'll just put some draft content in here to remind ourselves what we want to write our article about. We should really write an article about how beatboxers perform and do what they do. And then we can include this YouTube video as kind of a reminder for ourselves that this was our original source, our original piece of content that we wanted to link to. So once all that's in, we can just go ahead and hit post this draft. And it says your post is saved, and you can actually use this link right up here. Just jump right into WordPress and see your draft. So you can see the post title we made in the extension is here, our note here, and actually our YouTube video embedded directly as well. So this just makes it really easy to start saving drafts of posts that you want to remember to go back and write in the future, or that require some sort of other editorial review and approval before they go live on the site.